Hey Siri, what should everyone do while watching my video?
Hit the subscribe button and the bell next to AJ170's name so you never miss a video.
Hey guys, what is up? This is AJ170 and today I'm going to be making a video about the official PlayBox HD being back inside of the App Store once again. It seems like they bring this back either once or twice a year. I believe the last time this was inside of the App Store was a little bit more than a year ago, like January 2017-ish, I'm pretty sure, was when the actual last one was available inside of the App Store, but they have completely remade their entire app. It looks really, really good, and it actually runs really smoothly. Now, one of the only things that does kind of suck about it is it does run like Popcorn Time. If you guys have never used Popcorn Times, it's basically used streaming torrents, so it does take a little bit longer for the stream to actually load, and will take probably a little bit more internet usage than what you're actually used to. Other than that, you guys should be perfectly fine with using this. It looks a lot better. It has so many more features. Like, for example, I'm actually just going to go ahead and get into that. So before we jump right in, can I get 170 likes? Also, if you guys are new, support the 170 and subscribe. And very, very important, I'm so sorry, but I forgot to say this. If you guys open the app and it's not the same, for example, if you open it up and it's not letting you stream movies or anything, like it's just not loading them, it doesn't even give you the option to play them, that's because the developer has disabled the app, so then Apple would not find out about it. Don't comment inside the description saying it's not working, that it's fake, because this is clearly real and it is clearly working. It's the developer temporarily disabled it to keep it in the App Store a lot longer than what it would normally be in if he had it up 24/7 like that. So let's go ahead and get right into this. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm on my iPhone now. So first I'm going to show you guys the app and show you guys how to use it. First thing you'll notice is that it looks completely different than what we're used to. If I go ahead and go to settings, we have a huge settings about the subtitles. You can even change the font. Now, when I first seen this, I failed to see that it was subtitles and thought it was universal throughout the whole app. Was really disappointed when I restarted the app and didn't see any changes take place. So if I go ahead and scroll through, actually I'm going to go ahead and do TV shows because those will load a lot faster. Now if you guys see on the top right there, that is what I tested this with, as well as the originals. If I go ahead and click that, it will actually let me resume play it. Go ahead and select 480p so it load even faster. And then I'm not going to fast forward this at all so you guys can get a decent understanding of how long this takes. My internet speed jumps around 100 to 120 megabits per second. And as you guys can see, it gives me the option to resume play or start from the beginning. I'm going to go ahead and click resume playing just to show off this feature 100%. And as you guys can see, it is completely plain, but I do have to quickly click off of this so I do not get a copyright strike from Apple. If I go ahead and keep scrolling through this until I find Gotham, which is the best TV show ever made to mankind. There will never be another TV show that will be anywhere near as good as this show was or currently is. Because as far as I know, they've actually been renewed for a 5th season now. So if I go ahead and scroll all the way over to the latest episode, which came out 2 days before my birthday, or actually 1 day before my birthday, and go ahead and click that play button at 480p. And now let's go ahead and wait. And there we go, the love of my life is currently on the screen. Best TV show ever made. So now let's go ahead and show you guys how to get this app. Before I do that, another cool thing is that movies can actually be streamed in 1080p, which I thought was really cool. And if you guys want to download a movie, just simply click the download button, the quality, and then you can go over to downloads and actually watch it download. But they do take a very long time to download, so do remember that. Now let's go ahead and show you guys how to get this app. If I go ahead and go over to the App Store, open up the App Store, You guys can either type in the movie DB, or you can go into the link inside of the description. Either or will work, and then just simply download it, and there you go. Bada bing, bada boom, you're done, and you now have the new PlayBox HD on your device. Please do remember, do not delete this, because when Apple removes it, it'll probably be removed from your Apple ID too, but that's going to be just about it for this video. This is AJ170 signing out. See you guys next time.